I'm Tori from the Howdens design team, and I'm here today to introduce you to a brand new colour in our portfolio called Dusk Blue. Now, blues have been forever popular in home interiors. We love them, especially in kitchens and bedrooms and bathrooms, for the calmness and serenity that they bring us, and Dusk Blue is no different. The one thing that does set it apart in the evolution of blues that we've had over time is that grey base, that grey cast that runs through Dusk Blue, making it a perennial heritage colour, if you like. Now, we've got 3 different styles available in Dusk Blue. The first one is our Elmbridge range. Now, Elmbridge is a very classic shaker with a beaded internal centre panel, and you can see the beautiful grain running through the door. Moving over, this is Chilcomb. This is a slightly more classic design of shaker without the beading, very, very simple frame construction. And for those of us who want something a little bit more modern in our homes, we have the Chelford range. Very simple, very smooth shaker with a gorgeous internal chamfer. I'm going to show you now a couple of different ways to style Dusk Blue with our Elmbridge range. This is our more traditional of the timber shakers. So we'll start off with a country look, and over here you can see how we've got a really elegant design for country with the chrome tap and a mixture of beautiful bleached timbers with that grey cast running through them that really brings out the beautiful grey tones in the blue. An alternative way to create a country look is slightly more rustic. We've got some exotic olive woods, we've got this beautiful antique and patina tap, and the one thing that absolutely screams country, tongue and groove panelling. Let's now take a look at Chilcomb and how we can create 2 slightly different classic looks. We're going to start over here with a light, bright and airy palette using soft white marbles, bleached out timbers, and this absolutely gorgeous little latch handle here in the chrome. Soften the look with some natural textiles and fabrics. For something a little bit warmer but still on a classic scale, we can look towards brass to bring it some real tone and colour coming through, and finish the look with some luxurious cognac leathers. For our final look with Dusk Blue, we're going to go for Chelford, the most modern range. And for this, we're going to give it an industrial treatment. So there's 2 ways that we can do this. The first is full-on commitment. So for this, we need lots of black glass, similar to what we might see in appliance designs. We're using a heavy industrial tap and this absolutely stunning worktop in laminate. The technology here is fantastic. You can see the blue here coming through. If this is a little bit too strong for you and you want something a little bit lighter, you can achieve the look with just accents of black, or maybe even softening it with the pewter tap. So there you have it, Dusk Blue, 3 different door designs in 3 different treatments, and it's available now.